Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on a Tuesday, January the 3rd, 2023. Yes, I've already solved three puzzles. The 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and this one, the binary, my 1000th binary puzzle. And this one is a tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cyber block, in Japanese Suguru, and this will be a number 5732. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Alright. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. Yesterday we have 8 printed digits. But for a 4-star tectonic puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time. 30 minutes or more to solve the puzzle. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4-star puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, only one single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? Dual box, no dual box. Triple box then. Let me check triple boxes in this puzzle. No triple. Oh, here we have a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers yet. I need more information. But when you see a triple box, remember the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. Then the following question: do we have here quadra boxes? I see here only one quadra box, contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, those numbers I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. Need more information. Insufficient information, yes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? The L shape. Yeah. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, the L shape. Here another one, but rotated or mirrored. Yes, this box has the same number as that box. Yeah, And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, 4 figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers, so let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and 5. So the other pair in this area should be the 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, and can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here or a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 or any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So definitely a 2, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright, these are 3 boxes surround a 5, can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5, should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area, should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore, that box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 1, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box can be a 3. These 3 boxes surround a 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3. And this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Alright, okay. 2 numbers are left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Okay. Then let me see. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4, and this box is connected with that box should be also 1 or a 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means, well, I don't think this box should be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 5 there, and the 5 is supposed to be here. Okay. Then. This box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked this box with 1 or a 4. It cannot be a 4 anymore. We have a 4 here. So this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box should be also a 1. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. 2 numbers are left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2, let me mark those 1 and a 2. These these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then 2, 5, 3. I think. Well. Come on. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Okay. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. No 2 here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quarter box should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark this 1 and 2, 1 and 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These are 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me think. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. And let me think. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 2. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be 2 and more because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 3. Let me mark those 4 and the 3. Okay. And this box is connected with that box should be also 4 and the 3. But we already have a 3 here, so it can be 3 anymore. This box should be a 4. It's connected with that box should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And this box is connected with that box should be also a 5. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 4. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. And that means that this box can be a 2 or a 3. If I place a 2 here or a 3 here, I cannot fill any 2 or any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and a 3. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 and the 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me think. Well. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. I should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Then. Well. I'm thinking to. Okay. Well, 2, 3, 1. What's happening? Well, these two boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be definitely a 2 then, and that box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be a 3 and more. That box should be a 3. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Yeah, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box, I think it's a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So the last, oh no, here we have a 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. So let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Tuesday. And we will meet again, tomorrow on Wednesday. New day, new puzzles. And today we have my 1000th Badwi puzzle celebration. Yes. Bye bye for now.